Hey guys, it's me Ella. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a huge closet clean out for 2023. Since the new year is approaching, I feel like now is the best time to sort of do a cleanse and sort of reorganize everything. I've already spent the whole weekend redoing my room and just organizing it and cleaning it, which it is definitely needed, and I feel like it'll be so good to have a organized, clean room for the new year. So I want to tackle my closet in today's video. If you guys have been here a while, you know what my room used to look like, or you can go check out a room tour. But I decided to move my bed into the center of my room instead of across the wall, because of these lovely storage unit under my bed that I never got to use before. So as you can see, I already filled up this one side with bedding and stuff like that. This drawer actually pulls out. It's the whole entire length of my bed, and it pulls out to this nice storage unit. And I decided that I need to start taking advantage of this. So before we get started, I thought I would just kind of show you around and tell you what is about to happen. Here is a sort of overview of my closet. Here is like all of my long sleeves and some short sleeves. This is probably my most worn items that get hung up here. And then over here we have skirts and dresses and all my sweaters. And there is like no room. Every time I try to hang something up, I'm like struggling to fit another hanger over here, so I definitely need to fix that. And then up here I have my sweats, and this is like active wear stuff, and then just socks and other stuff like that. And then over here is like jackets and some more like Halloween costumes and some sentimental items. It's mostly just like storage back there. I don't wear anything over there. Down here are my drawers. So it's like a 3-piece drawer set from IKEA. So I have all of my short sleeves and some long sleeve t-shirts in here. And then down here is like all the like ugly shirts, I guess. That's kind of bad to say, but it's like those free t-shirts that they hand out at places, and then just like some old stuff. And then up here is all my dance wear, and it's very unorganized right now. After Nutcracker, I kind of shoved all my stuff in there, but I don't know if we have to really go through that in detail in here since there's nothing to get rid of in there. And then over here I have my jeans and pants, and then under that mess of stuff is my shoes, which is a whole nother thing to go through. So yeah, you may think that that's all, but there's actually more. Recently I have started to run out of room in my own closet, and have had to borrow space from my brother's room, who no longer lives here. And I've filled up his dresser drawers with my own clothes, and if there was more space in here, they would be filled with more stuff. So yeah, that's sort of an issue. So I'm hoping that some of the stuff that I store in here I can get rid of, because I obviously don't wear it. And then the other things like summer clothes and out of season clothes I can store under my bed. But before any of that organizing can happen, we need to just jump on in and start tackling this mess. Okay, I knew I had a lot of clothes, but that's actually insane. The clothes that hang on this rod are typically the clothes that I wear the most, so I feel like this part shouldn't be too hard. Like this sweater, I will never get rid of. This is like my favorite thing, and I need to wear it more because I have not worn it that much this year, but it's my favorite sweater. So I definitely need to wear this more. I feel like I should make a section for stuff like that. This is something that I don't know what to do because it's super cute, but I have not worn this in at least a year. I don't know if I just forgot about it. I used to love this sweater so much back when I first got it, and I don't know. Maybe I should like create a second chance pile for stuff that I haven't worn but I need to wear. So this would definitely begin that pile. And because of that, I'm not going to get rid of it, even though some people might be like, you haven't worn it in a year, but I still like it. And I acknowledge that I need to wear it more often. So we're going to put her there. Glossier hoodie, classic, so comfortable. I wear this a lot, keeping this. This is a zip-up sweatshirt. I don't ever wear this in the wintertime. I thrifted this and I like it's got these like Hawaiian flowers on it. I wore it a lot during the summertime, so I don't think I should get rid of it just because I haven't worn it in the winter. It's just more of a summer piece. So I think I'm going to put all my summer clothes under my bed. So I think I will start the summer clothes pile with this. Next, I think I've come across my first maybe item. This sweater, I bought it like 2 years ago and I really liked it back then. It was like my perfect style. It's a knockoff Unif sweatshirt that I got off AliExpress, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just like you can kind of tell that it's fake, and I haven't worn it once this year. I think I wore it once or twice last year, but so far this year I don't know if I've actually worn it. I might have to let go of this. It's not really my style anymore. It's a little too bold. No brainer. Taylor Swift cardigan, how could I get rid of? I will never get rid of that. I'll keep that until it's into shreds. Again, here's just some basic sweaters. These are more fall colors of these two, but then just a cardigan. And this sweater I got recently this fall. This first dress is a recent thrift find, and it doesn't fit me that great, but it's definitely my perfect style. And it's very unique, and I don't have any maxi dresses. I think this is my only maxi dress, so for that reason I'm definitely going to keep it. Next are some questionable dresses. I think I got this in like 7th or 8th grade. It's very tiny. I don't think this is something that I need in my wardrobe anymore. I don't really know the last time I've worn it. It's so short and just like, I got it in middle school. So I know she's pretty cute, but I think someone else will use this better than me. And I'm going to have to say the same thing with this dress. Next are two dresses from Princess Polly. This one I absolutely love so much. It's so cute and very springy, so I'm definitely keeping this. And then this one is a bit more fancy. I think I've only been able to like wear it out once, but really like it, so I'm definitely keeping this, even though I don't get much wear out of it. Next up, we have this dress from Shein, and this was such a trend, I remember, but I don't remember if I've gotten much wear out of it. I always hold on to it because it's a nice dress that if I ever have to wear it somewhere, I could, but I haven't felt the need to wear this anywhere, so I think I'll have to get rid of it. It's just not really my style. I don't really like this contrast stitching thing going on, and you know, it's okay to get rid of stuff. I just have to remind myself it's okay to get rid of stuff. I don't need to keep everything. And I think that might be the case with this dress too, because it's just so boring. This dress I'm keeping. It's so beautiful, and it's like, this is like my go-to fancy dress if I have to go somewhere. This dress I'm definitely going to be getting rid of. This is just middle school. I think I should just get rid of all my middle school clothes unless I actually still wear them, and most of the time I don't. It's a cute dress, don't get me wrong, but it's not my style anymore. I don't need to keep it. And same thing with this. Not my vibe. I don't need to keep it. These are two more dresses that I'm going to keep, but only for summertime, so I'm going to put them away with my summer clothes. When am I going to wear a halter dress? Not in summer, so I think it's safe to put that one away. This is a sweater that I thrifted, and I love how it looks. It's so cute, but unfortunately it's really itchy, and I got it at a thrift store where you couldn't try things on, and so I brought it home, and when I was so excited to style it, I put it on and realized I hated how it felt. So unfortunately I do have to get rid of this because I shouldn't keep it just because it's cute if I will never wear it. Here's a skirt that I'm sort of conflicted about because I thrifted it and I even flipped it to make it fit myself perfectly. It was like a big skirt that was too big for me that I sort of DIY'd into this perfect little midi skirt. The only problem is there's nothing to wear with it. I've tried styling it so many different ways, but I feel like it doesn't match any of my clothes, which I know is hard to believe. I have so much, but nothing just ever looks good with this. So it pains me to get rid of it, but if I've had it for this long and I haven't been able to style it, I don't know if I will be able to in the future, so I think it's best if I get rid of it. I still have like a big pile of clothes left, but I know most of these answers are going to be yeses, and that's kind of boring for you, so we're just going to skip through that real quick. So that's everything in my closet. I know it looks exactly the same, but I did get rid of a pretty significant amount, I'd say. And we're just getting started, and I feel like this is already a pretty good amount. Now it's time to clean out my drawers, and I'm going to be brutally honest because normally I always hold back with this stuff and keep it for no reason, and I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to actually get rid of the stuff that I have not worn in years because some things in here I have not worn in years. So I'm just going to start pulling stuff out, and I can just start off with some things like right away that I know I'm not going to wear. This shirt, this is not my style. I have not worn this in at least a year. This is probably the perfect example of it, is this shirt. I thought it was really cute at the time when I got it, but the amount of times I've actually worn it are very slim. Like hot pink cheetah print, that's hard to pull off. I'm gonna be honest. And it's like Brandy Melville. I feel like it's such a nice shirt. I shouldn't get rid of it. But it's like, I think sometimes it's just time to get rid of it. Here's a shirt that I'm kind of 50-50 on, and it's this. It's bright orange, which is why I never wear it. But it's a nice shirt. It's like this cute tie-dye. It's got like the gems on it. It's Harley Davidson. I thrifted it. I wore it in the past, but now not so much. And I think bright colors are just not really my style anymore like they used to be. Like, I think it's time for some of these things to be let go. Next, I'm going to tackle everything in this corner, which is sort of a mess right now. I threw all my purses in this pile over here because when I was cleaning my room, I needed to throw them somewhere because I knew I was going to go through them. So maybe I should just start with those right now. So first we have this bag, keep. This one is also a keep, so cute. This I need to get rid of. I've had since I was a small child. It was my mom's old purse, and she gave it to me when I was like a little kid to play with. But I don't know why I would need it anymore. It's very dirty and stuff like that. So I'll definitely be getting rid of that. And same with this bag. I've had it since I was a little kid, but I don't need it anymore. Even though it's cute, I will not be using this, so I will be getting rid of it. I don't think I've ever really gone through my bags before, so this is really important that I do this now. Like this Vera Bradley bag, it's not the style anymore. I will never wear this again. But this bag, I will wear this. Just a black shoulder bag. Like, that's classic. Nothing can go wrong with that. And then this little mini green bag. It's really cute. It doesn't hold that much stuff, but if I ever need just a tiny bag, there we go. And then I've just really loved these like crochet knitted bags. So I've recently accumulated a few of them. Some of them are my mom's old bags that I just stole from her, but I like all of those. This is a High School Musical bag. I don't need this, even though, look at that. This is like an ancient artifact. And then this, it's not real Louis, it's fake, but I'm gonna keep it anyways, even though I've never used it. I don't think. I might, but I don't know. I don't feel the need to get rid of this. I might feel the need to wear it someday, so I'll just keep it. It's a nice bag, even if it's fake. And then this purse is like a little bit of a larger shoulder bag, and it's a Ralph Lauren. That's cute. And we can move on to pants. I feel like most of these pants will be pretty good keepers. I try not to hoard my old pants. Like, these are my garage jeans. Love. Got my Princess Polly pants. Most of these are all going to be keep. I just want to basically see what's at the bottom of here, because that's the stuff that I do not normally use. Because like all the ones at the top are my frequent wears, so there's no need to go through those. I think we might have reached the first pair of pants that I might end up getting rid of, and they're these really nice American Eagle flare pants, but they're too tight on me that they're so uncomfortable to wear, and they're like extremely high-waisted, which is not good when your pants are too tight. It just like squeezes on your stomach. So they're really stiff, like, and tight in the leg part. So I think I'm gonna get rid of these. I've only worn them a few times because they're just too ill-fitting. Next, I have these swirly jeans, and these I'm kind of 50-50 about because they're a pretty bold pattern, and I don't really wear bold patterns as much as I used to, but I'm gonna keep these because the pants fit amazing, and even if they're not something I wear a ton, they might be like a fun statement piece. Maybe if I'm just feeling crazy that day, maybe I'm going to a disco party or something. Next, I have this pair of PacSun mom jeans, and they've got this cute stripe down the middle. These are another one of those pants that I used to love. These pants, I wore these all the time. Now, not so much, but they still fit and they're still cute. So they're not a frequent wear for me, but I think I'm gonna keep them anyways. And then here's the last pair of pants. It's a pair of thrifted like pinstripe pants, and they're just like straight leg and low-waisted. I think I would like these a lot more if they were flared. The straight leg just doesn't look that good on me with like the low-waisted detail. The waist is a little bit big on me. They're just, I thought they were fun when I bought them, but I always do that to myself when I'm thrifting. I never think about if they actually fit me well. I just think about if they're cute. So I think I'm going to get rid of these ones as well. Here is this bucket of shoes, which I know about 80% or 90% of these I'm going to get rid of because they're just old shoes that I haven't gotten rid of. Like, none of them even fit me. It's now the next day. Yesterday I finished cleaning out my closet, and today I got the storage bins that I need to organize the rest of my clothes for under my bed. I'm actually sitting in my bed compartment right now, but I already know the perfect thing to fill the smallest bucket up with. My swimsuit collection, which for the past year or two has just been living in this Urban Outfitters bag, and it's just time to change that. So I'm going to put them all in here. So I just put all my clothes in here. That was a super quick and easy task. You didn't really need to see it. So now that means my closet transformation or whatever is complete. I feel like it looks so nice, and you can't really tell that much of a difference just by looking at it, but living with it is going to be so much easier, and it's going to be way easier to find my stuff and just not get overwhelmed and be more organized. So I'm really excited about that. Thank you guys for watching this video and sticking to the end of this. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up and commenting down below. And of course, do not forget to subscribe down below as well. But that's all I have for today. I'll see you in another video. Bye!